Welcome to the KartComms Helmet Audio Alignment Test. This test will help you verify that the speakers inside your helmet are positioned correctly. Before we begin, make sure your helmet is fully on and secured, just as you would wear it while driving. For the best results, perform this test in a quiet environment. In a moment, you will hear sounds played separately through the left and right speakers. If your speakers are positioned correctly, the sound should be clear and centered directly over each ear. If the sound appears muffled, distant, or off-center, you may need to reposition the speakers inside your helmet. We will now begin the speaker test. First, we will test the left speaker. You should hear the sound clearly in your left ear. Next, we will test the right speaker. You should hear the sound clearly in your right ear. We will now repeat the test. Left speaker. Right speaker. Now we will alternate between the left and right speakers. Left. Right. Left. Right. Both speakers should sound equally clear and balanced. If one side sounds quieter than the other, adjust the speaker placement inside your helmet until the audio sounds even. This concludes the KartComms Helmet Speaker Alignment Test. Your system is now ready for clear pit-to-driver communication. KartComms, crystal clear communication when it matters most.